On April 2, 2025, Alibaba's Tongyi Lab unveiled VACE, the world's first unified framework for AI-powered video creation and editing. This Swiss Army knife of video tools can generate entire videos from text, transform footage with advanced AI editing. Want to see how these AI breakthroughs could revolutionize content creation? On April 2, 2025, Alibaba's Tongyi Lab officially launched VACE, short for Video Creation and Editing Framework. This innovative platform is being hailed as the world's first unified framework for diverse video tasks. From text-to-video generation to advanced editing capabilities, VACE integrates cutting-edge multimodal technologies into a single platform, marking a significant leap forward in AI-powered video production. Core features. VACE has been dubbed the Swiss Army knife of video creation due to its 4 core functionalities. Text-to-video generation. T2V create dynamic videos simply by providing text descriptions. Reference-to-video generation. R2V generate content based on reference images or video segments. Video-to-video editing. V2V apply style transformations, adjust colors, or add dynamic elements. Masked video-to-video editing. MV2V edit specific areas of a video using spatiotemporal masking technology. The platform also allows users to combine these features seamlessly for complex creations, such as object replacement or motion transfer, capabilities that traditional tools struggle to achieve. Technical breakthroughs. Underpinning VACE are 3 key innovations. Video Condition Unit, VCU, a unified interface that processes text, images, videos, and masks for seamless task execution. Concept decoupling strategy. Enables precise editing by separating elements like characters and backgrounds. Context adapter architecture. Dynamically adjusts generation strategies based on task requirements using diffusion transformer technology. These advancements ensure high-quality outputs with improved dynamic continuity and editing efficiency compared to existing tools. Real-world applications. VACE is poised to reshape industries with its versatile applications. Content creation. Social media creators can rapidly produce videos using text prompts and refine them with local edits. Film and television. Automates special effects production, reducing post-production costs by up to 60%. Education. Teachers can generate instructional videos from courseware text and images. Marketing. Facilitates personalized advertising content creation for brands. Strategic impact. This release aligns with Alibaba's broader AI-to-C strategy, which aims to bring advanced AI tools directly to consumers. VACE bridges the gap in accessible video creation tools while complementing Tongyi Lab's other AI innovations. According to the lab's representatives, this framework will eventually integrate with Alibaba's Qianwen large models for an unparalleled think it, get it creative experience. StarVector is an open-source project showcased at CVPR 2025, designed to convert bitmap images or text into scalable vector graphics, SVG code. Unlike traditional vectorization methods, it interprets image semantics to generate clean, structured SVG elements. How it works. Powered by vision encoders and StarCoder, StarVector processes images into visual tokens or directly translates text into SVG. It's trained in 2 stages, pre-training on SVG stack, fine-tuning on specialized datasets like SVG fonts and SVG icons. Key features. StarVector comes in 2 versions, 1B for resource efficiency, 8B for high-quality output. It produces resolution-independent, editable SVGs, ideal for designers, developers, and artists. It excels at structured vectorization, but faces challenges with complex textures and gradients. Researchers are refining texture handling for even better results. Try it yourself with the online demo. Upload an image or enter text to see StarVector in action. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI innovations. See you in the next one.